1. Which country has the least number of earthquakes? A. In the country of Bhutan. B. In the country of Nepal. C. In Bangladesh. D. In India. The answer is D. In India. 2. Which is the largest bank of India? A. SBI. B. CBI. C. PNB. D. RBI. The answer is D. RBI. 3. In which state is the cheapest petrol available in India? A. Maharashtra. B. Goa. C. Orissa. D. Uttar Pradesh. The answer is B. Goa. 4. What would be the meaning of the idiom, to destroy? A. Water to be water. B. To pour water. C. Filling water. D. Setting fire to water. The answer is B. To pour water. 5. How many teeth are there in the lion's mouth? A. 22. B. 23. C. 25. D. 26. The answer is D. 26. 6. What was the name of Lord Shri Ram's father? A. Janak. B. Sudama. C. Aj. D. Dasharatha. The answer is D. Dasharatha. 7. Which country is the largest producer of pigs in the world? A. Pakistan country. B. China country. C. America country. D. India country. The answer is B. China country. 8. To whom are matters related to presidential elections sent? A. Supreme Court. B. Election. C. Vice President. D. Parliament. The answer is A. Supreme Court. 9. Which is the biggest government job in India? A. IAS. B. BSF. C. IPS. D. Army. The answer is A. IAS. 10. Where is the capital of Manipur? A. Imphal. B. Itapur. C. Dispur. D. None of these. The answer is A. Imphal. 11. Who is known as Captain Cool? A. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. B. Rohit Sharma. C. Bumrah. D. Virat Kohli. The answer is A. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. 12. People of which country drink the most tea? A. Bhutan. B. China. C. Japan. D. India. The answer is D. India. 13. What is the name of the national sweet of India? A. Gulab Jamun. B. Barfi. C. Jalebi. D. Rasgulla. The answer is C. Jalebi. 14. Which is called the city of roses? A. Chandigarh. B. To Banaras. C. Lucknow. D. Punjab. The answer is A. To Chandigarh. 15. Where are most potatoes produced in the whole world? A. Russia. B. America. C. China. D. India. The answer is A. Russia.